It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK. This GLK is up for anything, yet remains down to earth. It makes everyday life easy. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power tilting steering column, auxiliary audio input, memory exterior door mirror settings, power telescoping steering column, and twin-turbo i4 engine. Motor Trend reports the engineering and craftsmanship behind this vehicle make it deserve a closer look. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.